you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi, and guys, today we are up with a new video, and this new video is all about essential German phrases. Yes guys, in this video you're gonna master 100 German phrases, the most essential one. Make sure to subscribe to the German Gyan channel. If you're watching for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi and I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes and whatnot. So let's start this video because I'm very excited. Are you? Let's go!
Let's master 100 essential German phrases together. So the first phrase is Können Sie mir helfen, means can you help me? Second is Ich brauche Hilfe, means I need help. Remember, helfen is a verb and Hilfe is a noun. Then third is Ich habe eine Frage, means I have a question. Next, Ich habe mich verlaufen, means I am lost. Then the very important one, because if you are a beginner and you can't understand German, then this phrase is going to be very useful for you. So the phrase is Sprechen Sie Englisch, means do you speak English? Then Ich verstehe das nicht, means I don't understand that. In case if you didn't understand anything, you can use this phrase. The next is Können Sie das bitte wiederholen, means can you repeat that please? Then next is Können Sie langsamer sprechen, means can you speak more slowly? Another one is Was bedeutet das, means what does that mean? And Wie sagt man das auf Deutsch, means how do you say that in German? Now remember, if instead of this, if you want to say how do you say that in English, so in your German sentence instead of auf Deutsch, you can just replace it with auf English. Wo ist die Toilette, means where is the toilet? Then wo ist der Bahnhof, means where is the train station? Then Wie komme ich zum Flughafen, means how do I get to the airport? Flughafen means airport and Bahnhof means train station. The next is Ich brauche ein Taxi, means I need a taxi. And Ein Ticket nach Berlin, bitte, means a ticket to Berlin, please. Now if you want to know the departure of the bus, then you can ask Wann fährt der Bus ab, means when does the bus leave? Now one thing I want to tell, that most of the students get confused between wann and when, means W-A-N-N, which is a question word wann, and second is W-E-N-N, which is when, and this is a connector. Now both words can mean when, but W-A-N-N is used for asking questions and the second one, which is W-E-N-N, is used for giving statements. So coming back to the phrases, and next phrase is Wie lange dauert es, means how long does it take? Then Ist das weit, means is it far? Next, Ich hätte gern einen Kaffee, means I had like a coffee. And Die Speisekarte bitte, means the menu please. Was empfehlen Sie, means what do you recommend? Then Ist das vegetarisch, means is that vegetarian? Then Die Rechnung bitte, means the bill please. Then Es war lecker, means it was delicious or tasty. The next Ich bin allergisch gegen Nüsse, means I'm allergic to nuts. So remember, this is very important because if you are in a restaurant and over there you are ordering something, then please remember to tell if you are allergic to something. And in that situation you can use this phrase. And our next phrase is Ich habe keinen Hunger, means I am not hungry. Next, Noch ein Glas Wasser bitte, means another glass of water please. Then Ich möchte zahlen, means I would like to pay. Here zahlen means to pay. This is a verb. And next Wie viel kostet das, means how much does that cost? And Das ist zu teuer means that is too expensive. Ich nehme das means I'll take that. Kann ich mit Karte bezahlen means can I pay by card. Ich schaue nur means I'm just looking. Gibt es einen Rabatt means is there a discount. Here Rabatt means a discount. Wo ist die Umkleidenkabine means where is the changing room. Das passt mir gut means that fits me well. Next, ich möchte das zurückgeben means I want to return this. Next, ich habe eine Reservierung means I have a reservation. Next, haben Sie ein freies Zimmer means do you have a free room. Next, für wie viele Nächte means for how many nights. Wo ist der Aufzug means where is the elevator. Next, gibt es WLAN here means is there Wi-Fi here. Remember, Wi-Fi in German is called as WLAN. Then, das Zimmer ist zu kalt means the room is too cold. And next, ich brauche mehr Handtücher means I need more towels. Wann ist das Frühstück means when is the breakfast. Next, ich möchte auschecken means I want to check out. Next, vielen Dank für den Aufenthalt means thank you for the stay. So for the stay, the noun is Aufenthalt. Next, rufen Sie die Polizei means call the police. Next, rufen Sie einen Arzt means call a doctor. Next, ich bin krank means I am sick. Ich bin verletzt means I am injured. Ich habe meine Tasche verloren means I lost my bag. Ich habe meinen Pass verloren means I lost my passport. Next, wo ist das Krankenhaus means where is the hospital. Gibt es hier eine Apotheke means is there a pharmacy here. Next, ich brauche Medizin means I need medicine. Next, was machst du beruflich means what do you do for work. Next, ich arbeite als Lehrer means I work as a teacher. Remember, if you are a female teacher, then instead of Lehrer, you need to say Lehrerin. For example, I can say ich arbeite als Lehrerin. The next phrase is ich bin müde means I am tired, and ich bin glücklich means I am happy. Ich bin traurig means I am sad. Ich bin beschäftigt means I am busy. Hast du heute Zeit means do you have time today. Next, es ist schön heute means it's nice today. Next, es regnet means it's raining. Remember, you cannot use the verb regnen with ich, du or any other personal. Regnen you can always use with s. The next is ich mag das means I like that. Next, ich liebe Deutsch means I love German. Next, wie viel kostet das means how much does that cost. Next, das ist zu teuer means that's too expensive. Next, haben Sie das in einer anderen Größe means do you have that in another size. Ich kaufe es means I'm buying it. Akzeptieren Sie Kreditkarten means do you accept credit cards. Ich sehe mich nur means I'm just browsing. Next, haben Sie Sonderangebote means do you have any special offers. So for special offers the word is Sonderangebote. Next, wo kann ich das anprobieren means where can I try this on. Next, es sitzt perfect means it fits perfectly. You can also use the verb passen. Next, wie spät ist es means what time is it? Was machst du heute means what are you doing today? Next, ich habe viel zu tun means I have lot to do. And ich habe frei means I have the day off. Ich bin erschöpft means I am exhausted. Ich bin hungrig means I am hungry. Ich habe Durst means I am thirsty. Next, ich habe keine Zeit means I don't have time. Next, ich habe Langeweile means I am bored. Next, ist ein schöner Tag means it's a beautiful day. Es ist kalt oder heiß means it's cold or hot. So it's on you. What do you want to say? If you want to say it's cold, just say es ist kalt. Next, ich gehe spazieren means I'm going for a walk. Next, ich gehe einkaufen means I'm going shopping. And ich treffe meine Freunde means I'm meeting my friends. Ich bleibe zu Hause means I'm staying at home. Next, was hast du gestern gemacht means what did you do yesterday. Next, was hast du am Wochenende gemacht means what did you do on the weekend. Next, ich habe Fern gesehen means I watched TV. Ich habe Musik gehört means I listened to music. Next, ich habe ein Buch gelesen means I read a book. Ich habe gekocht means I cooked. Ich bin spazieren gegangen means I went for a walk. Wie war dein Tag means how was your day. And kann ich eine Rückerstattung bekommen means can I get a refund. So for refund the word is Rückerstattung.
So guys, how was this video? Thank you so much for showering lots of love. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.